Bigla ngayon, moving on to your most recent book, Report from the Abyss. Why, although there are some supernatural stories and reportage, pero why move to a more general topic? I mean, dun sa book niya kasi may reports na yun nga, growing up in a communist household. Meron pang tungkol sa, there was one article that was about something, so it was almost political na
covering covering locations of conflict naman.
Yun. Yung suddenly, do you feel were there second thoughts that you had na baka
spilling my guts all over the page?
This is not what my fans expect of me or my readers expect of me.
I never really think about the fans in terms of parang what I'm going to do next. I mean, although syempre ang daming nag-request yan, sir, kailangan ka mag-novel, which is weird kasi a novel is really such a monster to do it. The minimum gestation period of a novel is 1 year. Pero like I said, in terms of fans, I don't really think of them, and that's not to say I don't appreciate them. I appreciate them a lot. If you start to think of your fans as a way to think of what your next move is, that's when the time you've lost them.
Okay.
Parang gumagawa ka ng music. The time you think of your fans, parang magugustuhan kaya yun. Nawawala na kagad yung integrity ng music.
Kaso ganun ako gumawa ng
kanta. Rin ako basta may pera.
So sikat ako. Walang chicks.
Walang chicks. Ikaw, Edsel, ano sa tingin mo sa ating discussion ngayon? Do you find it interesting?
Oo naman, kasi
marami ka experiences, diba?
At saka yun nga, yung mga kulto-kulto, yung mga maldition na yan. So,
may experience ka ba?
Pero doon sa libro ko, merong how to. So, how to make an amulet,
talisman. Ano, differentiate mo the difference with yung yun yan.
So meron diyang how to make a parang
paano empower yung isang object, kunyari gusto mo yung mic, ganyan.
Hindi, kunyari example, nagkakasino ako para ako muna
gano'n. Merong gano'n pampadagdag ng swerte. You can buy
yun!
Yan.
Kailangan natin yan.
Marami sa kaya po nun.
Naniniwala ka sa telekinesis.
Meron naman, rarely lang.
Extrasensory perception.
Perception.
Mismo.
Parang yung mga teachers sa law, no? yung binabarok nila yung English. Parang mukhang maangas.
Okay, extrasensory perception.
No! Yes,
Wishy.
Fantastic.
Ako naniniwala ako sa telekinesis Nagagawa ka ng cheque na nakapangalan
sa aming tatlo, 25,000 each.
Alam ko
gawin na nating movie yung libro ni Carly, kahit some chapter.
Para lang naman.
Kasi dati Humpty Dumpty.
60-40.
What if magkaroon ka ng indie film, tapos may mag-finance nun?
I wouldn't say no.
Diba, indie film, usong-uso na ngayon indie film, diba?
Plus it covers a lot of ground. Una-una yung writing, yung music, you can score it.
Correct.
Ang wala ng limitation yung creativity kasi ngayon So, and you can have it
especially with
on internet.
In the style of Eric Mati.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Pero
I like the comedy.
Pero sa ganung genre, kasi siya yung pinaka-indie sa mga
sa mainstream.
Sa mainstream, di ba? Pero in that aspect,
so you don't consider Brillante Mendoza as
sa horror.
Sa horror. Good save.
Kasi inisip ko with your novels, at saka pagkatapos with your deep pockets, tapos kami
with our brains.
Tapos kami na rin ang actors para dalawa sweldo namin. Siyempre, the brains and the production. Tapos kami na rin actors. Tapos kukuha kami ng mga leading lady namin.
Ang daming rape tsaka sex.
Ang dami rin. Dami si Jeng Madrazo.
Pero kailangan realistic. Kailangan may penetration talaga.
Penetration talaga. Tol, next year pagkatapos ng kaguluhan, ito na ang gagawin natin.
Carl de Mesas.
Carl de Mesas.
Report from the Abyss.
Sex always sells.
Wow.
Subtitle, galing sa hukay. Patugtog muna tayo ng isang kanta. Galing sa Sound Library ni Carl de Mesa. This is a song called Bright Midnight, which is actually the name of the band.
And in the novella, Bright Midnight.
The novel Bright Midnight. This is by
Lintek.
Yeah. Okay, Lintek is, are they friends of yours? Or?
Yeah, this is the guy who was the vocalist of Funeral Frost. This is his agrotech name, I guess. He made a soundtrack for News of the Shaman, and this is one of them.
Okay. So, papakinggan muna natin ng Lintec, a track called Bright Midnight. Maraming salamat sa mga nakikinig ng The BJ Show. Thank you for tuning in. Pinapaalala namin, every Tuesday, 10 to 11 p.m., gag order or not, we will be shown on YouTube. Hanapin nyo lang kami muna. Or pwede kayo pumunta sa Dig Radio website. And for next week's guest, meron ba tayong guest for next week?
Yes, meron yan!
Oo, meron yan. Ano na, horror ulit.
Freedom of speech.
Pag wala si Carl ulit.
Tama na lang natin sa pangalang
Suicidal tendencies.
Yeah. Actually, sa sobrang lawak ng discussion
Oo,
natin yan, makakagawa tayo ng numerous episodes.
Yeah.
Definitely sa Halloween 2013,
Oh,
imbitahin natin si
yes,
Carl.
yay.
Gawa tayo ng
Yeah.
Halloween episode, nothing but ghosts and naked girls.
Yeah!
Oo.
Naked Ghost Girls.
Yun. Gusto ko.
Banal.
Naked vampire girls. Pakinggan muna natin ng Bright Midnight. You're still listening to the BJ Show and we'll be back.